Hey guys, I'm Sherry Criswell, independent designer for Chalk Couture. Today I'm going to do a quick and fast one. The hardest thing on this whole project is working with a large transfer so it doesn't stick on itself. So as you can see, I took it off with the backer sheet underneath and now I'm fuzzing it. Now the surface I'm using is a wood surface, found surface, and I just bought some chalk paint, not to be mixed up with our paste, but paint, and painted it black and then waxed it before I put any transfer on it. I have changed this up several times. Sometimes you have to repaint the chalk paint on there, but it works pretty good. Now this is simple. I just use bright white and what I call the Big Daddy squeegee. I think it's just called the handled squeegee. It just makes fast work of it. It's all one color, and use the larger squeegee. And then scrape off the excess, again put it back in the jar, use it again later. Now as I was taking this off, you pull it straight up slowly, and when you see places that you missed or little mistakes, you can put it back down and redo it. However, in the process, I smeared a few places. So it's chalk paste. So I just take this little, it's like a pointer tool. I really don't remember what it's called, and kind of scrape any of the errors off of there. I also used a wet Q-tip or a wipe, and just clean up all my mistakes.